Good morning, Avon. I do want to thank you first of all your patience and calmness in the month of June. I think it was a really difficult month for all of you, and I really regret all the difficulties that the IT system issue caused you in your business, in your functioning, any stress and anxiety that it caused you, and really sorry about that. What we've done on our behalf has been to try and solve that at the earliest possible in the safest possible way for all of us. And I think that's why it took a bit of time to get it all done together. We are starting now, of course, and I'm very excited about leaning forward, looking into the future, and taking all of us along in this journey. The month of July can be a really good month for us. We of course live in uncertain times of lockdowns, times of containment zones, etc. And so be prepared for those ups and downs and those uncertainties. Those will keep happening for several months to come. That's got nothing to do with our business. But what we need to do whenever these happen are to keep showing a lot of flexibility, a lot of resilience, which I can assure you everyone from Avon will do. We will also make sure, and you've already seen some of the actions that we are taking, make sure that whatever suffering there was in the month of June, we will try to make that good in every possible way in this month itself, and also continuously keep up a higher level of activity in the coming months, so that we always get to a place where we almost forget that we lost a certain business in June and we get onto a higher growth trajectory, so that you actually more than make up all the lost business. So that is something that we are consciously going to work towards. I would like us to do 7 or 8 months sale in the next 6 months, so that the month of June is fully compensated for all of us. Now how are we going to do that? We've got a lot of exciting plans in July itself, lots of things which have been shared already with you, more to come. That I can assure you, a lot of new things are coming, and literally every month you'll start seeing new initiatives, changes in the business from here on to get us to a higher trajectory. So that is going to be a really important point. But what we want to talk about today, in addition to all of this, is the fact that Avon is going to do a makeover. So we usually do makeovers for our consumers, but today we are doing a makeover for ourselves. And the Avon brand is going to be refreshed. We're going to try and add various interesting dimensions in design, in approach, so that the personality of the brand changes for the better, makes it more youthful, more vibrant, warmer brand, more liked by women, and associated with all the issues that we really like to stand for. So you're going to see a lot of action on that front in the coming months. Starting in July itself. So you'll see the communication, you'll see the new branding. It will all start hitting us in different walks of life in the coming days. So I want you to really look forward to the future, be optimistic as I am, and really we will together make this business very successful. So thank you so much.